Hello, my name is Jennifer Borse, and I'm a technical analyst here at Roji. Today we'll review the new ScriptGPT in StarSteer. This ChatGPT assistant has been trained to write Python code using StarSteer syntax. To access the scripter, open Python in StarSteer and click on the ScriptGPT to open in a web browser window. From here, type an explanation of what you're needing from your script. Let's try, I want to create a list of all the wells in my project that have a specific porosity log, my NPOR log. ChatGPT will then write a script and give a brief explanation of what that script is going to do. Let's copy and paste this into StarSteer. Simply create a new script in StarSteer and paste this exact code. Once we hit run, we can see that we have a list of all of our wells that contain that NPOR log. Had there been an issue with the script in any way, we would see an error message pop up here rather than the well list. In this case, all we need to do is copy and paste that error message directly back into the scripter. ChatGPT will be able to analyze the error message and rewrite the script, addressing that specific error. This can be done as many times as needed in order to get your script working correctly.